Hey guys, this is a channel update. I want you guys to know that I haven't been feeling well the last few weeks, 3 weeks or so, and it might take longer for me to upload videos. But I will get back into the swing of things for you guys, okay? And here's a few sneezes for you. Bless me. I hope you guys understand everything that I said, though. That, during the update and stuff. And if you guys had any suggestions of what I should do in my next video, please leave them in the comments down below. Take care, y'all. Bye.